So imagine instead if we did something like, woof! Every single kid would turn their head. What their dog? Are we allowed to bring dogs in here? And it's a pattern interrupt. So a pattern interrupt that I offer you is something called the cold breath. So how many of you have tongues? Just checking. Okay, cool. Okay. So take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, like this. Okay? Everyone got it? So what we're going to do is we're going to do something called the Princess Bride test to make sure that you're doing it right. So take your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. Everybody say, "Love, true love is a magical experience." Everything, Princess Bride cop. Okay, awesome. So if you haven't seen Princess Bride, you got some homework to do, okay? So take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth, and now take a breath with your mouth. Try it. And then breathe out. One more, take a breath with your tongue, and then breathe out. Just like that. How many of you felt a cooling sensation overcome your body? So that's a way to pattern interrupt when you're about to make a decision that could be detrimental.